Find or read reviews that people are talking of CARLIMEKI Carplay wireless adapter, wireless Apple CarPlay dongle, convert wired to wireless CarPlay for factory wired CarPlay cars, plug and play. Auto connection, stable performance. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose CARLIMEKI Carplay wireless adapter. Below are some reasons why you should choose. CarPlay is a simpler, safer way to use your phone in the car. With this CARLIMEKI adapter, you are able to get rid of disordered cable and convert wired to wireless CarPlay. Equipped with a 5 GHz module, our wireless dongle will help you to have instant connection and stable performance to connect to CarPlay on your car display. The high-end configuration makes connection stable enough without disconnection easy and lag when using. CARLIMEKI wireless CarPlay activator is compatible with iPhone 6 and later models with the iOS 7.1 software or above. It is compatible with over 600 vehicle models and will work seamlessly as long as your car is equipped with OEM factory wired CarPlay. Noted, only for iOS user and car with factory wired CarPlay. There is no complicated and cumbersome steps required for the first time installation. Just plug this wireless CarPlay adapter into the head unit USB port of your car. Turn on WLAN and Bluetooth on your phone and go to the Bluetooth setting and pair with the device name SmartBox XXXX. After that, this CarPlay adapter will automatic connect and allow you to use CarPlay wirelessly when you get back into the car every time. This adapter could be connected to the steering wheel control, SIRI voice control, OEM knob touch control, touch screen display control. You could easily to operate various functions wirelessly with this CarPlay dongle, such as accessing SIRI, getting navigation, playing music, volume control, and more. The lightweight stylish design of this wireless CarPlay activator makes it compact and easy to carry around without taking up too much space in your car. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.